Welcome back. It's time to Ask the Attorney, and Darrell Minton from Minton Marion Attorneys at Law is here with us today. We've got 3 good questions that have come to us through various ways. The first question, if the will says that the land has to be sold, does it have to be sold, or can I keep it?
Generally, we have to follow what the will says. Now, I would have to actually review the will to see if there's some way out of that, but generally if it says it has to be sold, that's probably because it's difficult to divide real estate in kind, meaning to physically divide up the property. You're going to have a dispute among the heirs, beneficiaries about who gets what portion, closest to the frontage, who gets the part with the structure. So that's more difficult, and whoever drafts a will or requests a will like that probably wants to have it sold so they can divide up the money, which is easier to divide. However, what we check for first would be see, is there a restriction on who can buy it?
Okay.
And so what might happen is one of the beneficiaries could pay for the whole thing, buy out the other's interest in the property. But yeah, if it says it has to be sold, then it probably needs to be sold.
All right, our next question. I was driving a friend's car and was rear-ended. Neither car was insured. Does my insurance have to pay for my friend's car?
Generally, liability insurance is required to pay for whatever the insured is legally responsible for paying. If you're rear-ended, you're not usually responsible for those damages. You got rear-ended, so your liability insurance certainly would not have to pay for your friend's car. Collision and comprehensive coverage won't pay for a friend's car. It'll only pay for your car.
All right. Our third question. My husband and I separated years ago. Now I'm pregnant and I want to marry the baby's father before the baby is born, but my current husband won't agree. Can I force him to sign?
Oh no, well, now we have a mess. Not only can you not be granted a divorce while pregnant, but your current husband from whom you've been separated for many years, he's the presumed father of the child. So your divorce is going to probably take at least the 9 months that it takes for that baby to be born anyway. We're going to have a suit to determine the paternity of the child.
All right, like you said, that's a tough situation.
Yeah.
All right, well, of course, we're here every Wednesday answering your legal questions. You can give us your questions through Facebook or through our website, fox4beaumont.com.